Tervetuloa. Welcome to Finland. In today's video, we're going to explore the breakfast routines of the Finnish people. Get ready to discover the delicious and healthy breakfast traditions of Finland. In Finland, breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, providing the energy needed to start the day on a positive note. Finnish breakfasts typically include a mix of whole grains, dairy products, fruits, and often some protein-rich items. Rye bread is a staple in Finnish breakfasts. It's a traditional and nutritious bread made from whole grains. Finnish people love to top their rye bread with various spreads, creating a satisfying and flavorful start to the day. Dairy products play a significant role in Finnish breakfasts, providing essential nutrients and flavors. Finnish people enjoy incorporating dairy products into their breakfast routine, whether it's enjoying a glass of milk, adding yogurt to their cereal, or indulging in a creamy viili. Finnish breakfasts are often accompanied by fresh berries and fruits, adding natural sweetness and a burst of vitamins. Finnish people love to incorporate these antioxidant-rich berries and fruits into their breakfast, either as toppings for cereal, in smoothies, or simply enjoying them on their own. In addition to the essentials, Finnish breakfast can include a range of other items based on personal preferences and regional influences. These items provide variety and allow individuals to customize their breakfast according to their taste and preferences. That wraps up our journey through the breakfast routines of the Finnish people. Their focus on wholesome and balanced breakfast sets the tone for a healthy and productive day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cultural and culinary explorations.